Hello students, today we are going to discuss chapter 3 playing with numbers. Exercise 3.4 and 3.5. First, exercise 3.4, question 1. Find the common factors of 20 and 28. 20 and 28. Given numbers are 20 and 28. Factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. 1 20s are 20, 2 10s are 20, 4 5s are 20, 5 4s are 20, 10 2s are 20, 21s are 20. Same ways, factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 28. 1 28 into 28, 2 into 14, 28, 4 into 7, 28, 7 4s are 28, 14 2s are 28, 28 into 1, 28. So the common factors are 1, 2 and 4. B question. Find the common factors of 15 and 25. Given numbers 15 and 25. Factors of 15. 1 15s are 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 3s are 15, 15 1s are 15. Factors of 25 are 1 into 25, 25, 5 5s are 25, 25 into 1, 25. So hence the common factors are 1 and 5. Only two numbers. So common factor 15 and 25 are 1 and 5. Next, C question. Find the common factors of 35 and 50. 35 and 50. Solution. Given numbers are 35 and 50. Factors of 35 are 1 into 35, 35, 5 sevens are 35, 7 5s are 35, 35 into 1, 35. So 1, 5, 7, 35. Next, factors of 50 are 1, 2, 5, 10, 25 and 50. 25 and 50. So the common factors 1 and 5. Common factors are 1 and 5. Next, D question. 56 and 120. 56 and 120. Factors of 56 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28, 56. Next, factors of 120 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, 40, 60, 120. So, hence the common factors are 1, 2, 4 and 8. 1, 2, 4 and 8. Next, question 2. Find the common factors of A question 4, 8 and 12. Last sum only two numbers. Here three numbers 4, 8 and 12. Given numbers are 4, 8, 12. Factors of 4 are 1, 2, 4. Factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Next, factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Hence the common factors are 1, 2 and 4. Next, B question. 5, 15 and 25. 5, 15 and 25. Factors of 5, 1 and 5. Factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. 1, 3, 5 and 15. Factors of 25 are 1, 5, 25. 1, 5, 25. Hence the common factors are 1 and 5. Common factors are 1 and 5. Question 3. Find the first 3 common multiples of 6 and 8. 3 common multiple. So multiple of 6. Write in 6 table. 1 6 are 6. Next 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. Okay, 48, 54, 60, 72, etc. Next multiple of 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64 and 72. So the common multiples are 6 and 8 equal 24, 48, 72. B question. Find the first 3 common multiples of 12 and 8. First multiple of 12. Write in 12 table. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, etc. Next multiple of 8. Write in multiple of 18. 18, 36, 54, 72, 90, 108, etc. So the common multiples of 12 and 18 equal to 36, 72 and 108. 36, 72 and 108. First 3 common multiples. Question 4. Write all the numbers less than 100 which are common multiples of 3 and 4. Less than 100 common multiple 3 and 4. First write in 3 tables. Multiple of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57, 60, 63, 66, 69, 72, 75, 78, 81, 84, 87, 90, 93, 96, 99. Next multiple of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52, 56, 60, 64, 68, 72, 76, 80, 84, 88, 92, 96, 100. Next the common multiples of 3 and 4 equal to 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84 and 96. Question 5. Which of the following numbers are co-prime? Co-prime means common factor is 1. Co-prime is common factor is 1. So factors of 8, 18, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Next factors of 35, 1, 5, 7, 35. So the common factor is 1. Since both have only one common factors, that is 1. Therefore, they are co-prime number. Suppose one another numbers will come means it is not a co-prime. Only one there will come means it is co-prime. B question. 15 and 37. Factors of 15 equal to 1, 3, 5 and 15. Factors of 37 equal to 1, 37. 1 and 37. Now the common factor is 1. Since both have only one common factor, that is 1. Therefore they are co-prime number. Next C question. 30 and 415. 30 and 415. Factors of 30. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 15 and 30. Factors of 415 equal to 1, 5, etc. 83, 415. So the common factor is 1, 5. Since both have more than one common factor, therefore they are not co-prime number. More than one common factor is not co-prime. Next D question, 17 and 68. Factors of 17, 1 and 17. 1 comma 17. Factors of 68 equal to 1, 2, 4, 17, 34 and 68. Not 86, 68. So the common factor equal to 1 and 17. 1 and 17. Since both have more than one common factor, therefore they are not a co-prime number. (216 and 215). Factors of 216 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 36, 72, 108, 216. Next, factors of 215 equal to 1, 5, 43 and 215. So, the common factor is 1. Since both have only one common factor, that is 1. Therefore, they are co-prime number. Next F question, 81 and 16. 81 and 16. Factors of 81 equal to 1, 3, 9, 27 and 81. Factors of 16 equal to 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Now the common factor is 1. Since both have only one common factor, that is 1. Therefore, they are co-prime number. Question 6. A number is divisible by both 5 and 12. By which other number will that number be always divisible? A number is divisible by both 5 and 12. By which other number will that number be always divisible? So multiply that two numbers, 5 into 12. 5 12s are 16. The number must be divisible by 60. The number must be divisible by 60. 5 12s are 16. Next question 7. A number is divisible by 12. By what other numbers will that number be divisible? Divisible by 12. By what other numbers will that number is divisible? So factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Therefore, the number also be divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Now exercise 3.5 question 1. Which of the following statements are true? A question, if a number is divisible by 3, it must be divisible by 9. If a number is divisible by 3, it must be divisible by 9. It's wrong, false. Suppose if a number is divisible by 9, it must be divisible 3. Reverse order means it is true. But number is divisible by 3, it must be divisible by 9 is false. B question, if a number is divisible by 9, it must be divisible by 3. It's correct, true. C question, a number is divisible by 18 if it is divisible by both 3 and 6. A number is divisible by 18 if it is divisible by both 3 and 6. False. D question, if a number divisible by 9 and 10 both, then it is must be divisible by 90. True. 10 9s are 90. It is true. Next E question, if true two numbers are co-primes, at least one of them must be prime. If two numbers are co-primes, at least one of them must be prime. false. Co-primes only divisibly only common factor is 1, then only co-prime, but here two numbers are co-primes, false. All numbers, next question, all numbers which are divisible by 4 must also be divisible by 8, it's also false. All numbers divisible by 8 must also be divisible by 4, it is true. G question, true. Next, exercise 3.5, H question. If a number exactly divides two numbers separately, it must exactly divide their sum. If a number exactly divides two numbers separately, it must exactly divide their sum. True. Next, I question. If a number exactly divides the sum of two numbers, it must be exactly divide the two numbers separately. It is false. If a number exactly divides the sum of two numbers, it must exactly divide by two numbers separately. It is false. Next, write question 2. Here are two different factor trees for 60. First one is write the missing numbers. Write the missing numbers. 60 is there. Next 6 tens are 60. Next 6 there. 2 question mark. 2 into which number multiply? Answer will 6 come. So 2 threes are 6. Same ways 10 is there. Find which number multiply? 10 will come. 5 twos are 10. Listen. See the answer. 66 there. So 2 into missing number. Missing number 6 divided by 2 equal to 3. So answer is 3. Similarly 10. 5 into missing number. Missing number 10 divisible by 5 equal to 2. Hence the missing numbers are 3 and 2. B question. 60 there. Next 30 there. One question mark. Next 30, 10 there. One question mark. Next 10, 2 questions. Okay. 60. 30 into 2, 60. See the solution. Let the missing number be M1, M2, M3, M4. 60 equal to 30 into M1. So 30, 60 divided by 30 equal to 2. First M1 is 2. Next 30 is there. 10 3s are 30. So 30 divisible by 10 equal to 3. So M2 equal to 3. 10 equal to M3 into M4. 2 or 5. 2 5s are 10. So 2 3 2 5. Question 3. Which factors are not included in the prime factorization of a composite number? Which factors are not included prime factorization of a composite number? 1 and the number itself are not included in the prime factorization of a composite number. 1 not included for prime number. Start from 2. Next, fourth question. Write the greatest 4-digit number and you express it in terms of its prime factors. So, greatest 4-digit number 9999. It is first divisible by 3. 3000. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. Again 3 table 1 1 1 1. Next 11 table 1 11s are 11. Remainder 0. Next put 1. Not possible 0. So 101 into 11. Hence the prime factors of 9999 equal to 3 into 11 into 101. Question 5. Write the smallest 5-digit number and express in the form of prime factors. Smallest 5-digit number 10,000. So first 2 table 5,000, again 2 table 2,500, again 2 table 1,250. Next 5 table 625. 5 table means 125. Again 5 table 25 5s are 105. Again 5 table 5 5s are 25. Hence the required prime factor 10,000 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 1. So 2 and 5 are prime numbers. Next, sixth question. Find all the prime factors of 1729 and arrange them in ascending order. Now state the relations, if any, between the two consecutive prime numbers, prime factors. First given number 1729. First 7 table, 2 sevens are 14, remainder 3 32, 4 sevens are 28, remainder 4 49, 7 sevens are 49. Again 13 table 19. Hence the prime factors 7 into 13 into 19. Here 13 minus 7 equal to 6 and 19 minus 13 equal to 6. We see that the difference two consecutive prime factors is 6. Question 7. The product of three consecutive numbers is always divisible by 6. Verify this statement with the help of some example. The product of three consecutive in next terms. So first example, take three consecutive numbers 20, 21 and 22. Here 20 is divisible by 2 and 21 is divisible by 3. Therefore the product 20 into 21 to 22 equal to 9240 is divisible by 6. Second example, take three constant number 30, 31 and 32. Any three numbers take. Here 30 is divisible by 3 and 32 is divisible by 2. Therefore the product 30, 31 and 32 equal to 29,760 is divisible by 6. Next question, the sum of two consecutive odd numbers is divisible by 4. Two consecutive odd numbers is divisible by 4. Verify these statements with the help of some example. First example, let's take two consecutive odd numbers 97 and 99. Sum means 97 plus 99 196. The number formed last two digits is 96, which is divisible by 4. Hence the sum of the numbers 97 and 99. So 196 is divisible by 4. So sum of the two consecutive odd prime numbers is divisible by 4. Next example is 3 plus 5 equal to 8. 8 is divisible by 4. 7 plus 9 16 equal to 16. It is divisible by 4. Next 5 plus 7 equal to 12. 12 is divisible by 4. Next 9 plus 11 equal to 20. 20 is divisible by 4. So take any two odd consecutive numbers divisible by 4. Next question, in which of the following expressions prime factorization has been done? First one is 24 equal to 2 into 3 into 4. 4 is not a prime number. 4 is not a prime number. Hence 24 equal to 2 into 3 into 4 is not a prime factorization. Next B question, 56 equal to 7 into 2 into 2 into 2. Here all factors are prime numbers. Hence 56 equal to 7 into 2 into 2 into 2. 7 and 2 also prime numbers. So it is a prime factorization. Next is 70. 70 equal to 2 into 5 into 7. 2 prime number, 5 prime number, 7 prime number. So here all factors are prime numbers. Hence 70 equal to 2 into 5 into 7 is a prime factorization. Next 54. 54 equal to 2 into 3 into 9. Here 9 is not a prime number. Hence 54 2 into 3 into 9 is not a prime factorization. Next, question 10. Determine if 25,110 is divisible by 45. Solution: 45 equal to 5 into 9. Here 5 into 9 are co-prime numbers. Test of divisible by 5 unit place of the given number is 0. So it is divisible by 5. Test of divisible by 9. Sum of digit 2 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0 equal to 9. It is divisible by 9. So the given number is divisible by 5 and 9 both. Hence the number 25,110 is divisible by 45. Next question. 18 is divisible by both 2 and 3. Yes, it is also divisible by 2 into 3 equal to 6. Similarly, a number is divisible by both 4 and 6. Can we say that the number must also be divisible by 4 into 6? 24. If not, give an example to justify your answer. Solution: here the given two numbers are not co-prime. So it is not necessary that a number divisible by both 4 and 6 must also be divisible by the product. 4 6 are 24. Example: 36 and 60 are not divisible by 4, both 4 and 6, but not by 24. Twelfth question. I am the smallest number having 4 different prime factors. Can you find me? We know that the smallest 4 prime numbers 2, 3 and 5 and 7. Smallest number 4 different prime factors. Hence the required number 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 equal to 210. Thank you.